welcome back to another vlog. Just shot this video, this makeup look, which is inspired by Hania Amir, and also it is a very everyday makeup kind of a look. Also, it's so hot, so I'm drinking this cool, what is this, chocolate shake, and it's very tasty. Tell me what you guys are doing and how are you beating this summer. So I actually like this makeup look a lot because it turned out good. And sorry if the fan voice is coming because it's too hot. So now what I have to do is just clean this look but I love this look. अगर मेकअप अच्छा हो जाता है देन उसको हटाने का मन बिल्कुल भी नहीं करता है, बट मेरे को कहीं जाना नहीं, सो अब हटाऊंगी और क्या कर सकते हैं. So yeah, let's just remove the makeup, and today I will be showing you how I remove my makeup and what products I am using. And yeah, so I use like 2 to 3 things to remove my makeup. Sometimes I use this Johnson's Baby oil. Sometimes I also use coconut oil if my makeup is too hard या फिर ज़्यादा glitter and all मैंने eye makeup किया. Sometimes I use this. This is the Micellar Water by. This is from Westside. And then again, this is my favorite. This is from Garnier. And since today I have done like not so much of makeup, just a light little bit of makeup. I have not applied like too much base and too much eye products, so I think I'll just use this and this will be okay for removing the makeup. Okay. And I use this Tulips cotton pads. So I'm taking a cotton pad and just applying this makeup remover. And let me switch on the fan. Yeah guys, I have removed my makeup and I have also washed my face. Actually बीच में ही phone off हो गया था, so and I've also changed into my clothes and I also have changed into my nightwear. So this is the face wash I used. This I do not use daily. It's my mom's face wash, but I sometimes use it, so I have used that and I've just moisturized my face with the same moisturizer that I do. Yeah, now I think I will go and study, which I obviously cannot vlog because my laptop it's not working and वो टूटा हुआ था and वो जो थोड़ा बहुत चल भी रहा था बट वो भी अब नहीं चल रहा है, so उसको तो लाइक ठीक करवाना पड़ेगा. कल है tomorrow or after tomorrow I will go and just get it sorted. So अभी तो मैं फ़ोन में एक्चुअली वीडियो देख के पढ़ूँगी, so I cannot vlog, cannot make a time lapse. So yeah, and मैं fan off करके वीडियो बनाई, so I'm just sweating like crazy. But yeah, now my classes are on and I'm going to study, so I will see you after some time. So right now it's 9 p.m. So let's go. Bye. Let me show you all how I was shooting this. This is what I use. This is the ring light and I attach my phone here and I was shooting. You can do it like vertically itself, like this. Vertically I can just attach my phone, and if I want to do horizontally then I have to just tilt it down. So yeah, it's not very costly and it is not very sturdy also. It's a bit light only, and you can just adjust the height accordingly. Wait, let me show you. So this is what I can do, and now you can just push it down and बस इसको आप टाइट करो जैसे भी आपको height accordingly चाहिए. And it has like 3 modes. Wait, so this is like the first lighting, and and the second one is like this yellow light. The third one is this white harsh light, which I don't use, so I generally use this this pink kind of a light. I don't know, it's not showing clearly on the camera. And I use this like yellow light. And yeah, this is, I thought why not share. So I'm just switches. So it is for power on and off. This is for like dimming the light like this, and you can just increase the light. And these are the, and this is for like switching modes. And now let's go. Guys, I know I'm looking very extra, but this is the makeup look I shot today. So this is the 5th makeup video in the series. Sorry for the background noises. And I love the jewelry, love the makeup, and my favorite is the eyeliner. I just love it. Such a popping color. And मेरे पे I think eyeliner suits भी करते हैं, like colorful eyeliner. बहुतों में suit नहीं करते, but since my eye is small, so it just gives a pop-up effect and it looks nice. So yeah, and this is my suit, which is amazing, and I love the color. Just love the color. See, it's like a very different, I don't know what color is this. It's not purple, it's not maroon. I mean, it's just a mixture of some colors, but it looks beautiful. And this is the work. So I have the sharara, and I hope you have seen the outfit. I have uploaded in my shorts. And guys, if you liked all the series which I'm doing related to wedding makeup, so please do comment and like the videos, and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. And so right now, so I have just worn the Mangtika like that. But on the day of the function, I obviously had this double taped onto my forehead, and it really works. So if you are planning to like wear Mangtika, just make sure to like double tape it off here and just stuck it to the forehead, and it will definitely be very useful, and it does not move very much. So it's a very nice thing. So definitely try the double tape method. I always used it, but since I have to just make the video, I didn't use that. And I love Mangtika on myself. So okay, and here I will just okay, so I will just show you how I shoot this video. So this is the background, this is my curtain. Okay, see, this is the curtain, and here is all the makeup which I keep like this. See, so here's a chair, and all the makeup which I have to use, I just keep it aside, and other makeup is lying there on the table. But this is what all the makeup that I have used. I have attached the phone to the ring light, and so I shoot my videos like this vertically, and I take this curtain as the background, and I just use the cinematic effect on iPhone so that it just blurs out the background and it shoots very nicely. And I have and I have switched on, this is the tricky part, and I have switched all of the lights, and I have switched off all the lights. I'm just using this yellow mode on the ring light, which I have showed you earlier. So wait, let me show you how my makeup looks in different lights. So never compare yourself to the makeup which you see online, because we use like different kinds of lights, so it also has a impact on the makeup. So wait, let me show you. So this is how my makeups look when it is in the white light, the harsh white light, which I definitely do not use. Okay, I have got a comment. Okay, thank you whoever has commented. Okay, and see, this is how it looks like, and this is it how it looks like in the, this is kind of a whitish pinkish kind of light. I love this light. So it is how it, just tell me how do you like, which like light is like more, which light has the more good lighting and which light is good. I mean, I'm confused. I sometimes use this yellow light and sometimes I use this pink light. So just tell me which one of the either you like in the videos, so then I will use that only. Definitely lighting has a good impact on your skin makeup, so do not compare it online. Yeah, you can just learn the makeup and do yourself. So yeah, now I will just change all of it. Ow, okay. So yeah, let's have a touch. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग. जब भी मैं लाइक खुद मेकअप करती हूँ, जब कोई फंक्शन जाना है तब के लिए मेकअप करती हूँ, उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा मेकअप वीडियो पे हो जाता है. एंड नाउ आई जस्ट फॉलो दिस वीडियो स्टेप्स टू जस्ट डू माई मेकअप अगेन. आई डोंट नो व्हाई वीडियो पे बहुत अच्छा मेकअप हो रहा है. व्हेनेवर आई एम शूटिंग दिस, माई स्किन टचवुड इज़ ऑल्सो गुड नाउअडेज. एंड बट जब शादी या कुछ किसी का फंक्शन होता है तब तो इतना अच्छा नहीं हो पाता है.
बट जब शादी या कुछ किसी का फंक्शन था तब तो इतना अच्छा नहीं हो पाता है.
बिकॉज उस टाइम तो बहुत हड़बड़ी रहता है ना. वैसे तो हम लोग नाउ तो आई जस्ट हैव टू मेक द वीडियो एंड जस्ट एडिट इट एंड जस्ट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो या, बाय द वे आई टुक दीज इयररिंग्स from a different shop and I got this Mang Tikka from a different shop, but it matches very nicely, so I wanted like a pair. So this you can like pair it up with anything, like white pearls and golden details with like a little bit of mirror work, and go with all the outfits very nicely. So I can wear it with different outfits. I have a wedding nearer to me. Actually, I have a wedding in July, so I am planning to wear it with my white lehenga that I have. Before that, I paired it up with the matha patti and all, but this time I think I will pair it with this, so it will give a different look and it will look nice. And so let me just change my dress, and I will see you. Bye. और ये क्या करा रही है इसमें?
साबुदाना, ये हरा मिर्चा, धनिया,
बादाम पीस के और ये चटनी. मैं अभी लाइक फोटोज एंड ऑल देख रही थी मम्मी का. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट जस्ट लेट यू ऑल शो माई व्हाई नॉट जस्ट शो माई चाइल्डहुड पिक्चर्स टू यू ऑल. Wait, some only I will show, not all. Let me find out. Guys, यहाँ पर तो लाइक दिन ब दिन गर्मी बस बढ़ते ही जा रही है. एंड पंखा चला के व्लॉग करना इज ऑल्सो अ टास्क बिकॉज आवाज़ आता है. ओके, आई शुड रिमूव द बिंदी, रिमूव माई मेकअप. आई विल डू इट आफ्टर आई एम डन ईटिंग. सो मम्मी ने बनाया ये साबूदाना की वड़ा एंड आई जस्ट लव इट. मेरे को लाइक साबूदाना का हर एक चीज़ पसंद है. लाइक साबूदाना वड़ा, साबूदाना की खीर एंड साबूदाना की खिचड़ी इज़ ऑल्सो माई फेवरेट. डू कमेंट कि आप लोग को साबूदाना पसंद है या नहीं, एंड अगर पसंद है तो आप कौन सा डिश आपका फेवरेट है. फिर लाइटिंग अच्छा नहीं यार, हम कहाँ से शूट करें, इधर तो इधर लाइट. तो या गाइज, आई थिंक दैट आई विल एंड दिस व्लॉग बिकॉज मैंने सोचा था कि आगे व्लॉग कंटिन्यू करूँगी बिकॉज बट अभी भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ा व्लॉग बन गया है. सो आई डोंट वांट इट टू बी कंटिन्यू टू द नेक्स्ट डेज. मैं उस दिन की अलग व्लॉग बनाऊँगी, बट या अभी आई थिंक आई विल जस्ट एंड दिस व्लॉग एंड आई विल जस्ट गो टेक अ शावर बिकॉज गर्मी में एक बार नहाने से तो कुछ नहीं होता, 2 बार नहाना ही पड़ता है.
गर्मी में एक बार नहाने से तो कुछ नहीं होता, 2 बार नहाना ही पड़ता है.
एंड जस्ट लुक एट माई हेयर. इतना गर्मी, इतना पसीना आता है भाई, फिर से जाके हमको नहाना पड़ेगा दूसरा बार. सो चलो छोड़ो, एंड आई विल जस्ट एंड दिस व्लॉग. आई होप यू लाइक द व्लॉग एंड आई एम रियली just trying to make vlogs because I am just a new YouTuber and I just do not know about how to make vlogs and everything. मेकअप वीडियो तो मैं शूट कर लेती हूँ, बट व्लॉग्स में थोड़ा आई एम कॉन्शियस एंड क्या बनाना चाहिए, क्या दिखाऊँ, बिकॉज माई लाइफ इज़ नॉट एज इंटरेस्टिंग अभी तो. बट ठीक है, मैं जो भी व्लॉग बना पा रही हूँ घर के, आई विल जस्ट अपलोडिंग इट. चलो बाय, आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. If you do like it, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions, so please give it in the comments. And yeah, bye. I'll see you in my next video.